are you, me, Kim McClure, and Julia Garner Monday, and then I think that was it. It was us. So can you imagine that table, you guys new in SD? I looked at that table and I thought, this is my dream come true. But we were given an assignment, so I couldn't sit long and have that thought. And so basically our assignment was, how do we simplify Mary Kay? And okay, so I was chugging, pounding Diet Coke. Heidi Gelser, who's the minister's wife, was like, cussing. And
H-E-double-L hockey stick,
yeah. Right, it wasn't, yeah.
And when she was saying that, I was like, what's happening?
So we tried to simplify Mary Kay, and we had about an hour and a half to do it because we ate lunch and had this conversation. We chose to eat lunch together. About 45 minutes in, we're like, that's it, it's too hard, we don't know. we do not know. And finally, it was like God was revealing to us exactly what we could do, which was get back to our starter kit. Because I sat there as someone who preached virtual for so long, when it was necessary, y'all, you need to hear me, that my girls didn't necessarily have a starter kit. So as I was thinking through my top people, I'm like, Kristen, my people don't have a kit. Like, they can't go do anything, really. And even virtually, it's hard to hold up products when you don't have a starter kit. And so we thought, that's it. We just go back to the basics of what Mary Kay Ash asked us to do in the very beginning of our business, which was book 8 to hold 5. And it was so funny because Julia then told us a story about how she didn't want to hold any parties at all. She told her recruiter this, she told her director this, and they said, well, that's okay. You just have to hold the first 5. And then you can never hold one again. And there's Julia as a national sales director who clearly continued to hold lots of parties. And someone else at the table had a similar story. And so we were like, this is it. We're just taking it back to the basics of what we know, what Mary Kay Ash taught us to do. Not looking right, not looking left, not looking in the Facebook groups for one more idea that you do not need. It is focused on what we know to do. Book, coach, self-recruit, repeat, and so we committed to the kit, so much so that now we can only order 1 kit a year.
But the good news is all the new team members you're going to be adding, they can get kits, and they can get $90 upgrades, okay? So here's the thing, it was the stats that really shook me. It was 67%. 67% of people never got a starter kit. Started with the $35 kit.
And that's now. That's even
now.
That that's happening still to this day.
It was mind-blowing. So, if you could have been in the room, it was very intense. She was pounding Diet Coke, and I love Diet Coke, but she's pregnant, and it was crazy. But at the end, we came up with it, and it was Kit and Commit. And through that, you guys, this has created an international movement. The flyer has been translated into 13 different languages. Yes! And Kazakhstan and Slovakia Facebook messaged me last night, because that's how they talked to me, and they just played the Jennifer Cook video